Hello everyone. So guys, in today's video I'll be using aloe vera on my hair for the first time. So guys, the night before I had already washed and soaked this aloe vera. I allowed it to soak overnight so that the yellow fluid that comes out of the aloe vera is going to seep out into the water, because I don't want any form of skin irritation from this aloe vera. So guys, spraying water on my hair is one mistake that I made, because aloe vera contains lots of water, and spraying this water is really unnecessary because the water started pouring all over my body, which is not what I want. So guys, the thing I did here was just to rub the aloe vera gel on my hair. Make sure to coat every part of my hair. Then after that, I'll finger detangle my hair before using my white tooth comb to properly detangle my hair. Now, aloe vera is very good for type 4 hair because of its coily and kinky nature. It helps us to detangle our hair properly. It also helps to strengthen the hair strands and make them less prone to breakage. Aloe vera gel can also help soothe the scalp and also help prevent unnecessary itching. It helps to clear dandruff, and it balances the pH level of the scalp as well. If you haven't tried aloe vera on your hair, please do well to do that, because you are going to reap the massive benefit of aloe vera. So guys, after making sure that the aloe vera gets to every strand of my hair, I will go ahead and detangle my hair. Right now I am done applying the aloe vera, and I'm using the remaining ones to just rub all over my hair so that I am not going to be wasting it. And after using the aloe vera on my hair, I also used it on my face. Yeah, I also use this on my face, and this is me applying the aloe vera gel on my face, because according to my research on Google, it is also very nice for the skin. So after rubbing it on my face, I covered my hair with a plastic bag. I allowed the aloe vera gel to stay on my hair for 1 hour, and also the one on my face stayed on my face for 1 hour. So after that, I washed off my hair without using any soap, and right now I'm about to apply my hair oil to lock in that moisture. Guys, the one mistake I made is not blending this aloe vera and sieving it out with a cheesecloth to remove the chaff from the aloe vera. So if you have a blender, please do well to blend your aloe vera and sieve out the chaff before using it, unless you are going to get the chaff all over your hair strands. As you are seeing my hair right now, those whitish stuffs are the aloe vera chaff. They are still on my hair, but guys, while applying my hair butter, most of the chaff were going out of my hair, and I also try to use my hands to remove most of the chaff. So guys, after using aloe vera gel on your hair and washing it out, go ahead and apply your hair butter, your hair oil, and that is it for today's video. Guys, if you haven't followed this page, please go ahead and do that. Thanks for watching. Bye.